Yeah, good day to you all. So welcome to Easy to Learn. Good day to you all. So welcome to Easy to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a new problem. A hexagonal pyramid base 30 mm side and axis 70 mm long resting on a corner of its base on the HP, and the apex is 55 mm above the ground and the top view of the axis is inclined at 30 degree to the VP. Draw its projections. So here the thing given is hexagonal pyramid. This is comes under three-dimensional object, hexagonal pyramid, and the base 30 mm side is given. The base side is 30 mm and axis length is 70 mm long is given, resting on a corner of its base on the HP. And another condition is given, and the apex means the peak of the pyramid. That peak of the pyramid apex is 55 mm above the ground level. 55 mm above the ground level. Okay, and the top view of the axis is inclined at 30 degree. So top view of the axis is inclined at 30 degree to the VP. Okay, so most of the thing is directly given in the problem. First we have to draw the simple position of hexagonal pyramid. So we know that the pyramid's base is hexagon in shape. So first we have to draw that hexagonal base. So where we have to draw the hexagonal base? So that thing is identified from the question itself. So here the question is given, the hexagonal pyramid is resting on the HP. XY line, XY line. So we know that, so above the XY line, which is VP, and below the XY line, that is HP. So actually what is this now? So this is HP and this one is VP. We can draw the hexagon in two manners. So one is like this, and another one is like this. So both are hexagons. Two conditions are there. One of edge is perpendicular to VP and another one is parallel to VP. So once I tilt this one perpendicular to VP, the edge with is perpendicular to VP. Once I tilt this one, this line or edge will rest on HP. If I tilt this one, this point, this corner, this point is rest on HP. So this is edge resting, this is corner resting. Edge resting, corner resting. So in the problem given is corner only resting on the HP. So here I am taking this one. So we know that the total faces in the hexagon is 6. So we know all the drawings, the total angle is 360 degree. So by dividing the number of faces, so we are getting 60 degree. So this is what 60 degree. So we know that the total angle of triangle is 180 degree. Total angle of triangle is 180 degree. So by getting the another two angles, so we know that using subtracting 180 minus 60, we are getting 120. So the total angle of these two are 120 degree. So we are having the angle between the faces are two total angles. Okay, so that we are using 120 degree. So here also 60, here also 60. The total angle is 120 degree. So the faces between the angle is 120 degree. So using that only I am going to draw the hexagon. So now the given is 30 mm side. So here I am drawing 30 mm side hexagon. So this one is 30. So from this I am going to draw the 120 degree line. So this one is 120 degree. This is also having the same length. So from this I am going to draw another 120 degree. So from this another 120 degree. From this another 120 degree. From this another 120 degree. So this is what the hexagon of base side 30 mm. So we have drawn. So this is actually the pyramid. Okay, so pyramid, so we have to identify its center. So first we have to join each corners, opposite corners. So we are getting that point. So this is what the top view of given hexagonal pyramid. This is the simple position of top view of the hexagonal pyramid. So now I am going to draw the front view. So you just take the projections. Before going to take the projections, we just give the numbers. Okay, so I am putting from here A, B, C, D, E, F and the center point O. Okay, so now I am just to take the projections from each and every points. Okay, so from A point, from B point, B and F are in the same line, from O point, from C point, C and E are in the same line, and from D point. So this center is having some length, so I just extend it. So that is given. The axis is 70 mm long here. So this is what the axis, the center. So for this this will take 70 mm. So I'll take this 70 mm. Okay, now join all the points. So this is point A. So for A dash, so this one is B dash, F dash is the hidden part, and this is O dash, and C dash in bracket E dash and D dash. So OA, so this is OA, and OD, this is OD, and then OC and OE. So we can able to see OC only, we can't able to see OE, so that is hidden. So OB and OF are in the same line. Similarly OC and OE are in the same line. Okay, so the base, so this is base. So this is actually the front view. So for changing the position, the given is the apex is 55 mm above the ground. Here the apex is O. So O is above the ground. Ground means from this axis XY line it is 55 mm height. So for that I am going to draw a 55 mm line. So here, so this is what the apex distance. So this is the locus position. This one is 55. So you can say that is locus of apex. This is the point D. I am taking the point D. From that I am going to plot the apex in somewhere. So take the compass, just to measure the slant height. So this is what the slant height. You take that to the position here. Okay. So we are getting the point O. Here the point O dash. Okay. So now, so we just join the point O and D. Then now we take the remaining points using the compass. So using this, make an arc. Similarly from here, okay. So we found the another point, which is A dash. We join all the lines. OA and AD base. So now switch over all the points. So here we have to transfer the point C and E from D, C and E from D. Similarly, A, B. A, B. So this is the point B dash in bracket F dash. This one is C dash in bracket E dash. So join OB and OF. Similarly join OC and OE. Okay. So now we change its position from simple position to the given position in the question. Okay. So now, so you can check whether that one is satisfied, the question is satisfied or not. So corner of its base on the HP. So corner of its base on the HP, so that is satisfied, and the apex is 55 mm above the ground. So both the things were satisfied. So now we draw the actual top view. So this is the actual front view, the final front view. So we drawn the final front view. So we need to draw the top view of the given position in the question. Okay. So just to project it. So projections from each and every point, A dash, and then B dash and F dash, and C dash and E dash, and D dash, and O dash. Yeah, likely from the F and E are in the same line, and A, D, O all are the same line. A, D, O, and B and C are in the same line. Now, when the meeting points, so from F line is here and F is, so this is the point F1, and E, the same line E. So this is what E1. So A, so this is the line, and this one is A, point A1, and O, the same point O1, and D, point D1, and B, this line. So second line is B1, and C is a C1. Now join all the outer edges. Okay, now we simply join all the outer edges. So from this you are seeing, so you can able to view OA and OB and OF. OA, OB, OF. From here you can see, so these two are the viewing sides. So from here you can able to see OA and OB and OF. See, OA, OB and OF. That all only we can see that. Okay, so this OE and OC also. OE and OC also you can able to see. OE and OC and OF and OB and AF, AB and this FE and B1. So this is the hidden part, C and D, and this OD is a hidden part, and you can see OA. So that hidden part is hidden by this OA. So this is the actual top view. After finding the apex is 55 mm above the ground, this is what we have done, and we are finding the, with respect to the apex is located in the position above 55 from the ground. So we got the top view. So then next part is given, the top view of the axis is inclined at 30 degree to the VP. So now we are going to draw this top view is tilted to 30 degree to the VP. So how we draw? First we have to make a block. So this is what the procedure. We just draw the block, square block. See this? So I am taking all the edges simply. So this is what a rectangular block of A, B, C, D. So now I am going to tilt this block into 30 degree with VP. If this is makes 30 degree with VP, means we will satisfy the question. Top view of the axis is inclined at 30 degree to the Y. Na? This is what the axis. This is what its axis. So this axis makes, if this will make 30 degree, na, so this axis also makes 30 degree. So I am taking this AB from here. I just draw 30 degree inclined line for AB. Now this is 30 degree inclined line. In there I am placing the points A and B. So now I am going to draw the rectangular block of the same size, same AD, the AD distance, and similarly BC. Okay, so here we are. So now relocate all the points from A to F1 and E1 and D to B1 and D to C1 and A1 and O1, similarly on D1. So now we have the tilted part of, so this is F1, E1, this one is D1, C1, B1, A1 and O1. Okay, now join all the points. This is the hidden portion, so we are taking A1 O dash, E1 O dash and F dash O dash, sorry, C1 O1 and B1 O1. So as per the given in the question, the top view axis is inclined 30 degree with VP. So now we simply project to draw the front view. Okay, from all the points, from B1, from A1, from F1, from E1, from O1, from D1 and C1. Okay, similarly draw the lines from the tilted portion of the front view, just to project the points from the front view. A1, B1 and F1, O1 and C and E and D. Okay, so now we have the intersected points O, that is O1 dash, and then E1 is here, E and E, so this is E1 dash, D and D, D1 dash and F1 and F dash, so this one becomes F1 dash and A1 dash and B B1 dash, then C1 dash. Okay, now join all the points. Like outer points A1 dash and O1 dash, A1 dash and O1 dash, similarly D1 dash and O1 dash, A1 dash and B1 dash, and B2C, and C2D. F and E are not possible to view from this side, so AF and F and O and ED and E and O and F and E not visible, so C and O is visible and B and O is also visible. Okay, so this is the final drawing for the given question. Okay, if you have any doubt means please post in the comments. Okay, thank you.